What's up, y'all? It's the blind bearded chef Zeke, and y'all see me smiling big this morning because it's August the 29th, 2024, and today is my birthday. Yes, today I've made 48, and I am so happy to be here. Okay, so I did not want a birthday cake for my birthday. So I decided to make me an Oreo cookie cheesecake. So I'm gonna make my Oreo cookie cheesecake, even though it's gonna have to sit for about 4 to 5 hours. But meanwhile, my mom is cooking me a good meal. She asked me what I wanted. So today I'm gonna have some smothered beef round steaks with fried chicken, rice and gravy, potato salad, and I wanted some sweet peas. I don't like sweet peas, but for some reason, I can only eat them with potato salad. So that's what my mom is fixing me today. My niece fixing me some pecan candy. I told my other niece I wanted a daiquiri. So I gave everybody something that I wanted, simple and mainly just to go in my tummy. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Z. Happy birthday to me. Let's get busy with this Oreo cookie cheesecake that I want you all. So, in my bowl right here, I took 25 Oreo cookies, I put them in my food processor, and I crushed them up. Okay. Now, I'm going to put in this. This is one stick of melted butter. Okay. So, pour that one stick of melted butter over those Oreo cookie crumbs. Okay, take your spoon, stir it all up, get all those crumbs coated, and we're gonna put it in our springform pan. I have a 9 inch. I think this is a 9 by what this is. Probably a 9 by 3 or a 9 by 2 springform pan. So get these crumbs good and moist. I have my oven set at 350 degrees, and I'm going to put this in that spring form pan, and I'm going to bake this for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out. Then we're going to work on the filling. I'm so happy, y'all. I am so happy. I'm always happy, but every time I make another birthday, it makes me happier because 18 years ago, they didn't think I was going to be here because I went through a lot. I went through blindness. I went through dialysis. 5 years later, I went through a transplant. I suffered with skin cancer. They had to cut my head open in the back to get the cancer out. I've caught COVID before. I've just a few things, but through it all, I'm still here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is my spring form pan right here. Okay, 9 inch spring form pan, and I'm gonna pour those crumbs in there. Okay, get my hands kind of dirty. They're clean. Wash your hands before you start any of this, y'all. Wash your hands. And when I start doing my filling, I'm gonna put on my satin beard cover because my beard is pretty long, and I don't want no hair in my cheesecake. Okay. And I'm not wearing any shades today. This is my day. I'm 48. Oh, where did the time go? Where did the time go? 2 more years, I'll be 50. Lord have mercy. So put this in your pan like this, and Mash it down. Try to get some on the sides so you can have some go at the sides. And you want to have this even. So just even it out. Okay. And get you a glass or a cup, something with a flat surface, and push this down. So push this down so it'll be even. And then we're gonna also go up the sides. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, look at here. So I'm not gonna go up the sides because I'm gonna decorate the sides with some small Oreos and some big Oreos on the side of the cheesecake. So see how I have it flat, make sure it's even and everything. So I'm about to place this in the oven for 10 minutes on 350 degrees and I'll take it out. Meanwhile, let's work on the cheesecake filling. Happy birthday to me. All right, y'all. Let me put on my beard bonnet. Okay. Let's put on my beard bonnet. Make sure it don't cover my mouth up on my microphone. Okay. Hopefully I get this groomed today. It's about almost 4 or 5 inches long. Okay. So got on my beard bonnet so no hair won't fall in my cheesecake. Okay. Okay. Um, in my bowl right here, I have 24 ounces of cream cheese, which is 3 blocks. In there, I'm going to put 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Okay. Now, we're going to use the whisk attachment on the KitchenAid. Y'all barely see me use the whisk attachment, but we're going to use the whisk attachment for this one. Okay. Put your bowl in there. Lock it in place. Put it down. Make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature, your eggs is room temperature, and your sour cream is room temperature. If not, you're going to have lumps in your batter. Okay, so let's lock this in place. And now let's turn this on and let this get good and creamy. About 10 minutes. All right, y'all. It's been about 8 minutes, and look at there. Let me show y'all. Look how creamy that cream cheese is with the sugar. Okay. Now, next, you want to add in a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay. So, 1/2 cup of sour cream. Get my spoon. There's a spoon somewhere. So I put in a 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just a pinch. Right there. Right there. A little pinch of salt. Gonna add in a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So 1 tablespoon of extract. Okay. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And add in 3 tablespoons of flour. Okay. All right. Let's put this on here. Let's mix this for about a minute or so. All right, after that's mixed up there, put this up. Now we're gonna put 3 eggs in there, 1 egg at a time. So let me crack. put it in a bowl. You won't have no shells. Okay. So put one egg in there. Let it mix for about 10 seconds, and we'll put the next egg. All right. And that is it. Get your get your paddle and let's unhook this. Okay. Now let's make sure everything is incorporated. So, and there go our cheesecake batter. Now I have between 20 to 24 Oreo cookies chopped up. Okay. So y'all hope y'all can see. This is your cheesecake batter. Okay. Now, right here in this bowl, this is your chopped Oreo cookies. Chop them how you want it. I like mine a little chunky. Put that in there. My pie crust is ready. So just fold this in. Fold this in. Right, look at that, y'all. See my crust? There go my pie crust. I'm going to, it's cooled off. You see, it's solid. Now, I'm going to put it on this pan to put in the oven because I don't want it to spill. So, now, we're going to put our cheese. Let me hold up. Let me put this on this side over here. I'm right-handed. I don't want to cross over. Okay, so let's put some cheesecake filling in here. We're going to fill it to the rim anyway. But I'm going to put half. Then I'm going to sprinkle some more cookies on top. Then we're going to put the rest of the half of the batter. So let's put half of the batter in here for now. I got half of the batter in there. And these are some more cookies. This is about 5 or 6 cookies. Sprinkle this on top. Okay, after you got that sprinkled on top, let's put the rest of the batter. Okay. Now this is going to bake for between 50 minutes and between 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay. So let's put the rest of this on top. There it go. It's in the pan. I'm about to put it in the oven for 60 minutes for about on 350 degrees, and I'll be back. Happy birthday to me. And usually I would put this in a water bath. The reason why I'm not putting this in a water bath to bake it is because the Oreos in it, and it's probably going to crack on top anyway. The top probably going to split or crack. That's just how it works sometimes when you have Oreos in a cheesecake. Okay? Be right back. Okay, I took it out the oven. It's been sitting for like 4 hours and it's cool. You see it has a little crack on top, but we're going to fix that. I'm about to put some homemade whipped cream on top of there so I can decorate it with the Oreo. So after it baked for 60 minutes, you turn your oven off and then you open the door of your oven and let it sit in there for an hour. Then you put it on the cooling rack. Now I'm about to put heavy whipping cream. Whipped cream on top and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. Okay? Okay, there go the whipped cream on top. I'm about to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill, and then we will put the Oreos on it. So the next time you'll see it, it'll be decorated with the Oreos. All right. Happy birthday to me. Number 48. All right. Happy birthday to me again. And I finished my Oreo cookie cheesecake. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? All right, y'all. I'll show y'all me eating a piece later. Bye.